In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate a whole page in Canva. If you've ever wanted your entire design to move as one, without manually animating every text box, photo, or shape, this is the simplest way to do it. Page animation applies a single, cohesive effect to everything on a page at once, which is perfect for presentations, social posts, and quick video intros. Start by opening your project in Canva. Along the bottom, you'll see the page thumbnails. Click the page you want to animate so it's highlighted and active. It's important that you're on the page itself rather than a single element, because we want the effect to apply to the whole layout, not just one item. Next, look toward the top of your screen for the main toolbar. There, you'll find the Animate button. Click it, and Canva will open an animation panel showing a variety of effects. These are designed specifically to move everything on your page together in a single style. Think of it like choosing the overall vibe for that page: subtle and professional, bold and dynamic, or something playful in between. Before you commit, hover your cursor over any animation to preview how it will look. This is the easiest way to quickly compare options without changing anything permanently. You'll see your entire page come to life as you move through the choices, so take a moment to try several and notice how each one feels with your content. Some effects are gentle and clean, great for text-heavy designs, while others are more energetic and eye-catching, ideal for quick announcements or social clips. When you find one you like, click to select it, and Canva will apply it to the whole page. That's it. You've animated the entire page in one step. From there, you can play the page to see it in motion from start to finish. If it doesn't feel quite right, reopen the Animate panel and pick a different style. You can change your mind as many times as you want until it fits your message. A few quick tips as you decide. Keep consistency in mind if you're working across several pages. Using the same or complementary effects can make your project feel polished. Choose animation strength that matches your content so it enhances your message rather than distracting from it. And remember, subtle often looks more professional. With this approach, you'll transform static designs into engaging motion in seconds, without touching individual elements. Enjoy exploring and have fun bringing your pages to life.